Good morning, students. So in this video we are going to discuss about the human factors in tractor design. uh, we can see the various factors that are considered, human factors that are considered in the tractor design. The design of modern tractor includes following human factor consideration, right? Like riding comfort, visibility, location and arrangement of controls, ease of operating controls, design of thermal control and sound control. These factors, when properly incorporated in design, all the operators to perform any complex with efficiency, safety and minimum fatigue. Operator exposure to environmental factors. Tractors are used under various geographical and climatological conditions. Environmental factors to which operator is directly exposed are temperature, humidity, wind, thermal, radiation, dust and chemical. Thermal comfort. It is defined as the state of mind that expresses satisfaction with the thermal environment. The value of a roof on a tractor was investigated and found that the shade reduces the black bulb temperature 3.3 degree to 5.5 degrees Celsius on a hot summer day in mid-west conditions. The thermodynamic process of heat exchange between man and his environment can be described by general temperature balance equations. Storage is equal to metabolism minus evaporation plus or minus radiation plus or minus connection minus work accomplished. This is the amount of heat gained or lost if the body is in a state of thermal balance. S becomes 0. Positive value of storage will cause the mean body temperature to rise. Negative values will reduce it to fall. It is most convenient to express the above terms as energy per unit of body surface. The metabolic rate of the tractor driver will be in a range of 60 to 150 kilocalories per hour meter square. Average body surface area of a man will be 2 meters square, resulting in 120 to 300 kilocalories per hour. Extension research has been devoted to develop indices to evaluate thermal comfort. An empirical index effective temperature was developed. Pre-new effective temperature scale is based on a simple model of human psychological response. Most individuals will be comfortable when the ET is between 23.9 and 26.7 degrees Celsius. Operator exposed to noise. It has been observed that 40 hours of exposure per week to second level of 90 decibel or greater will produce permanent hearing loss. Noise induced hearing loss does not occur in a sudden manner unless the sound exposure is extremely severe. Average noise level of all tractor tested without a cab at 70% pull was 95.17 decibel at the operator's site. Tractors testing with cabs averaged 91.4 decibel. Tractor tested in 1975 with cabs at 75% full average 88.04 decibel, with the lowest reporting being 80 decibel. The average noise level of the tractor without cabs or 75% pull averaged 97.0 decibel, with the lowest reporting being 89.5 decibel. Acoustic noise is sound. The sound is characterized by frequency, amplitude and phase. The frequency range of the human ear extends from as low as 16 Hz to as high as 20 Hz. From a practical standpoint, however, few adults can perceive sound above 11 Hz. The simplest vibration is a pure tone, which consists of an sinusoid with the frequency f is equal to 1 by t. T is period. Next is operator exposure to vibration. Exposure of human body to vibration can result in biological, mechanical, physiological and psychological effect. Ride vibration intensities are normally positively correlated with ground speed and often become intolerant as speed is increased. A survey has revealed that about 76% of the tractor drivers had stomach complaints. Care should therefore be taken in designing tractor and particularly tractor seat to reduce vibration and shocks to an minimum by appropriate suspension and shock absorptions and to arrange the tractor control in a manner to ensure a comfortable posture and minimum effort. These efforts are caused by the low frequency vertical vibrations, that is frequencies up to 20 Hz. These low frequency vibrations result in whole body excitations. Engineers observe the 4 to 8 Hz range as being critical. In this range, resonance occurs in part of the human body producing discomfort. Low frequency vertical vibration is present during normal field operations. Amplitude of vibrations is in part dependent on roughness of the field. The untapped natural frequencies of wheat tractor commonly lies in 3 to 10 Hz range. Higher frequency vibrations 30 Hz and up result in part body vibrations, although it is not important with regard to whole body vibrations. It is the source of foot and hand arm excitations. The higher frequency vibrations can be present at the steering wheel, gear shift levers, control levers and the floor panel. Quite frequently vibration levels are expressed in decibels. A convenient reference level for vibration is 1 meter per second square RMS. It is mathematically expressed as the given equation. The operation machine interface. Every time a person operates a tractor, the sensing, decision making and muscular power of the operator are joined to an engineering system. The operator uses the sound, sight and fuel to interpret input and to interface with the control instrumentation components to achieve the desired output of the tractor. Human engineering data defining acceptable range for economical factor, noises and vibration must be incorporated in the design to ensure operator safety and comfort. Safety, comfort and convenience should be considered in an design, location and construction of the operator's workplace. The workplace should be located on the machine so that visibility in the driving position is good without requiring the operator to work in an awkward, tiring position. Levers, pedals and instruments should be conveniently located and workplace should fit both tall and short operators. In addition, the operator should be able to change his working position easily and the working area should be free of sharp edges and obstructions such as transmission cases. Two functional conditions in design of the workplace for the tractor operator or visibility and clearance. Primary visibility or END, the window observation for a tractor requires provision so that the operator can look in any directions. Near ground vision to the front and rear of the operator is important, for vision is in all direction is necessary. Secondary visibility is needed to monitor instruments or light inside the workplace or cab. Clearance at various level is necessary to provide access to and from the workplace. Proper workplace dimensions in relation to the seat are important in grasping and operating controls. Sound control in operator enclosures. Reduced sound level in part being achieved by incorporating sound control measures in the operator enclosures. This design approach includes isolation mount for the cab and suitable insulation material for ceiling, wall and floor. Sound reaching the operator is structure-borne, airborne or an combination of both. Structure-borne sound result for vibration transmission from the vehicle through the cab attaching points. Airborne sound is transmitted through air and enters the operator area through holes or through the enclosure wall. The floor of the cab is treated with a barrier material, normally polyvinyl chloride, a rubber material, then on slate the wire. Surface area above the floor are treated with noise absorption material that are effective in the 125 to 2000 Hz range. The predominant noise in tractor and the other off-highway equipment is in the frequency range of 125 to 500 Hz. Through design and development of efforts, sound levels has been reduced to 80 decibel inside operator enclosure. Thermal comfort in operator enclosures. Operator enclosures design must include cab pressurization, filtration, air movement, heating, cooling and window defrosting. These factors must be considered in order to provide clean air at proper velocity, temperature and air humidity for human thermal comfort. Design parameters to meet a wide range of climatic conditions are given in the table below. So parameters and the capacity are given in this table. Heat 0.2 kilowatt at 66 degrees Celsius and water flow 11.4 hour per minute. Cooling 7.0 kilowatt at 33 degrees Celsius and 60% relative humidity. Air movement 3-speed blower rate at 0.235 meter square per second at 50 Pascal. Cap pressurization 50 to 100 Pascal above outside of the cap. Air fresh filter 1.92 meter square pleated paper shelf cleaning. So these are some of the factors that are considered in designing a tractor. Thank you.